Welcome. Indian markets are going for some deep corrections. But currently, the market which is in excitement in rally is US market. After the elections and even after the inauguration, we are seeing great moves in US market. What we have seen a year back on Indian stock market, what the same strength, the same rally we are able to observe in the US market. One thing, one sector which is really showing a lot of traction, lot of rally, lot of energy in US market has been the aerospace and space research. Now, space exploration innovation area is really in limelight after Elon Musk, who is a key person now in US government, is able to show that sort of traction in the space exploration. The Mars project is definitely going to be a reality as we go forward, because even Mr. Trump has approved this particular space program. So the projects on space are going to get a lot of strength, and accordingly we are going to see a lot of opportunities in the space. In the last couple of days after the inauguration and oath of Mr. Trump, we are seeing a great moves in the space exploration and innovation area. So in that area, one of the key ETF which is really touched all-time high after 3 years of its launch has been ARC Innovation and Exploration Space Exploration ETF. This is ARKX. If you could see the all-time high, this started somewhere in 2021 and today it's closed all-time high. But if you see the movement, it started from August, September from $15 almost to $21. And in the month of November, we all know that the elections in November have been clear in US market. After that, where we have seen the space exploration and innovation area is really showing a lot of energy, lot of strength. Possibly that this particular segment is going to lead the US market going forward. And when the market is going up and when the market is rallying, we are seeing the stocks and the sector in this particular area that's showing enough energy, enough strength, enough performance. So that's showing that this sector is going to give some sort of leadership. Yes, all said and done, if any disturbances happen with Mr. Elon Musk or any decision taken by government again to downsize this particular thing, it can be a risk for this particular sector. However, this sector, in spite of no major support also, the space activities have been going tremendously worldwide. Now we see this particular ETF, the stocks in this particular ETF is Rocket Lab, Kratos Defense and Security, Archer Aviation, Iridium Communications, Teradyne, Trimble, AeroVironment, Palantir Technologies, Amazon, Blade Air Mobility. Now these are the stocks in this particular ETF. If you see, the major holding has been 10% in Rocket Lab. Now let me show you the Rocket Lab chart also. In this particular Rocket Lab chart, if you could see, the movement started somewhere in the month of July, September, and a major movement here, if you could see, in the month of November from $14, it went straight away to $28, which is almost double the price in a span of 1 month, in the month of November itself. So this is a clear indication that space exploration and innovation area, air taxis and rockets, all these things are going to be a major thrust area going forward in US market. That is what the charts are indicating. Yes, most of these companies are still not into profit because the expectation of major projects, the contracts, the agreements, and the losses are coming down are a clear indication that this space is going to see a lot of traction. As an investor, we always need to look at sunrise industries, right? Industries which are going to get a lot of expectation, a lot of growth, and a lot of development is what, as an investor, we need to see. But these companies, because of the cost involved and the volume structures, the profitability is not up to the mark as of yet. But there are few companies which are profitable, but there are upcoming companies which are having a lot of contracts expectation of a great business and losses are coming down because of the economies of scale, etc. These are expected to come into profitability. That is the reason, might be possibly because of which these stocks are making great moves. If you could see in a span of just 2-3 months, the stock from $14 it went to $31, but the clarity came on the chart around $7 to $8 in the month of September 2024. Now, even if you could see the another stock within the same ETF, that is a Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation, which makes air taxis. Here, if you could see, almost from $3 to $4 just in the month of November itself. From $3 to $4, it went up to $12, currently around $10, which itself is more than 150% move in a span of hardly 2-3 months. That's a clear indication that this particular segment, aerospace, satellites, space research, space exploration, space economy planning, all these things are going to give lot of activity, and that is going to give lot of opportunities for investors also to look at this particular segment. We keep talking about semiconductors, we keep talking about infrastructure, we keep talking about AI. This area is also one of the areas which one can explore. As a portfolio designer, we can have multiple segments in which we can create a portfolio. So one of the segment what looks like is going to be space research, space economy, space activity related companies which are listed and which are performing well, which are having enough technologies to cater to the demand of the activity that is being planned. Even if you could see the Palantir Technologies, from November itself, here from November 42, it went almost to 80, almost 100% return in a span of just 2 to 3 months. So this is a very clear indication that US market space research, space segment is definitely an area what we need to look at. But being in India, if we want to invest, we can also invest through interactive brokers. We can also invest through Gift City, that is the INX International Exchange. We also can invest through what do you call IndiTrade. So we can open an account there and do it. The segment for US, the space segment, is definitely leading in the current scenario. That is what the performance among various sectors in the current scenario is showing. But this space segment, even in India, the aerospace segment, recently we have seen Bharat Air Mobility show in Delhi also. There are so many developments. There are so many companies in India which are got contracts from US companies also. One of the information what I have is Blade Air Mobility. They have placed 60 aircrafts order to Bluj Aerospace, which is in Telangana, almost 60, and so many other. Even I think, if I'm not wrong, Indigo has placed some orders with Archer Aviation for delivery in 2026. So even in India, IIT Chennai professor, I have gone through that particular interview. He was saying that we are planning to do some manufacturing on moon. So we are going to do some drilling. We are going to develop some economy in on moon itself. So there is going to be lot of developments that are taking place on moon from Indian perspective. So there are going to be lot of companies which are going to provide equipment, technology, everything for this particular project, and that activity should soon start because the research is in the advanced stages and commercialization is possible maybe in a span of a year or so. That is what the interview summary is all about. So even manufacturing not only on moon for moon, but also manufacturing on moon for earth. That is the plan, that is the project that is going on in the process, which is in the process in the current scenario in India. So we need to explore this segment more, and air taxis are going to be a reality in the next 1 or 2 years even in India. So a lot of air taxi services are going to start. So we need to explore that area and look at some great opportunities in that particular segment. I am not a SEBI analyst. I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I am not a SEC analyst. Whatever research I've done, whatever some investments I've made in this particular segment, I found some sort of educative and very informative information which can help investors to explore and find some opportunities. Please do your research. Please consult a financial advisor and make some investments. These are definitely good areas one need to explore. Happy trading, happy investment. Thank you.